Welcome to the homepage of the Clerk of the Circuit Court and Comptroller's Spending in the Sunshine site. Let's explore the Spending Transparency navigation by navigating to the top bar and click on Spending Transparency and then select Departments. This page will provide details on department spending, obligations, and budget for the current year to date and the previous 5 fiscal years. You may make a selection under Agency for the Board of County Commissioners or the Clerk of the Circuit Court and Comptroller and fiscal year. There are a few visualizations for quick information such as total departments, combined expenses, and top departments, which is based on budget amount. Hovering the mouse over these graphs will give additional information. As you scroll down, the next section provides a list of the departments and offices as selected in the above agency and fiscal year. Tiles display financial information by department, expenses, and comparison of top departments. For a different visual, you can select List or Tile View. This view gives additional purchase order details by main department and is available to sort by spend amount, obligation, budget, and amount spent in the previous year. Expand by clicking on the department and search becomes available as well as the cost center name. Easily export by clicking on the right of the window and selecting Export or Print. To drill into the department, you can click on the name and then a box will appear with options for the top 5 trends, vendors, categories, PO details down on the left-hand side. Hovering over the visualizations will also provide additional information. At the top right, there is also a button for more details. The page will display additional information for the selected department. A selection can be made to change the fiscal year and cost center, which will update the graphs that provide details by employees, vendors, and top 5 vendors for that cost center. Hover over those details for additional information. Invoice details can also be exported or printed by clicking on the right-hand side and selecting Print. Applicable invoice details to that vendor are then displayed. Click on the plus sign to the left of the invoice number for additional payment details. Data used in this video is for example only and may not reflect actual expenditures.